Good morning, Achieve. Happy Thursday. Today's Thursday, February 18th, and we will continue talking about respect after we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So everybody please stand. Let's show some respect to the flag. Salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, have a seat. So, you guys have been talking about respect for the last couple of days. You got to watch some Sesame Street videos that showed a lot of different definitions of respect. And you also got to practice showing respect to your teacher in a little role play that you did yesterday. So I want to sum all of that up into just one quick definition, which is to treat others the way that you want to be treated. That's the best way to show respect, is to think about how you want to be treated and then treat others that same way. Think about how you would feel if people are treating you with respect, showing that they care about you, making you feel important. How would that feel inside your body? You can go ahead and pause the video for a moment and go ahead and talk about that. How do you feel when others are showing respect to you? All right. So, one of the most important times to show respect is actually when you're upset with somebody. If you have to work out a problem with somebody and you're able to show respect, they're going to be a lot more willing to listen to you. But it's really hard to do because when we have a problem with somebody, we might want to act on our feelings, our upset feelings. We might want to raise our voice. We might want to say mean things. We might even want to call names when we're upset. But think about how that would make you feel if other people treated you that way. Is that going to make you want to solve the problem with them? Or are you just going to raise your voice back or call them names back? It's just going to make the problem worse if you treat each other disrespectfully when you're upset. So that's actually the most important time to show respect to somebody, no matter who it is. A friend even, you want to be respectful when you're upset so that you guys can work out the problem. So what I want to do is have you guys practice a situation where you might be upset, and how will you show respect to that person to work out the problem. So it's up to your teacher to decide. Your teacher can either choose two people to come up in front and do this role play for the rest of the class. The class can be the audience, and then you can talk about what went well with the role play, maybe some things you might have done differently or some different ways you might have handled it. The other option is for the teacher to go ahead and pair everybody up and have all of you practice this role play. So here's the situation. It's recess time, and you're outside with the friend that you usually hang around with at recess, and your friend says, "I want to play freeze tag." But you don't really want to play freeze tag, so you say no. So instead of finding something that both of you want to do, the friend just walks away and leaves you by yourself so that they can go find someone else to play tag with. You're sad, you're hurt, you're upset. So what do you say to your friend so that you guys can work out that problem? All right, have a great day, Achieve.